Dear students, I am Pratik sir, mathematics teacher of class 9, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. In this video, we will study about theorem number 5 of circles. Equal chords of a circle or congruent circles are equidistant from the center. If two chords are equal in a circle, then they are at equidistant. Equidistant means at equal distance from the center. This we have to prove. So what is given? A circle with center O and two equal chords AB and PQ. We have to prove that AB and PQ are equidistant from the center. It means, according to this figure, we have to prove that OM equals to ON. OM and ON are respectively the distance of both the chords from the center. We will draw OM and ON perpendicular to AB and PQ chords respectively. We will join the radius OA, OB, OP and OQ. Since OM is perpendicular to AB, then by the theorem, we know that the line which is perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects it. It means AM equals to half AB. Similarly, PN equals to half of PQ. Since it is given that both the chords are equal, AB equals to PQ, therefore half of AB is MN and half of PQ is PN. So AM is also equals to PN. Now we will take the triangles AOM and triangle PON. In these two triangles, angle OMA equals to angle ONP, each 90 degree by construction. OA and OP are equal to each other. These two are forming hypotenuse according to this right angle triangle, and in the circle these two are radii. That's why these are equal. And we have proved that AM equals to PN, proved above. So by right angle hypotenuse side, RHS criteria, both the triangles are congruent to each other. Since the triangles are congruent to each other, therefore OM equals to ON by CP CT. Next is converse of theorem 5. Theorem number 6 is, now chords equidistant from the center of a circle are equal. Now the distance of two chords from the center is given equal. We have to prove that the chords are equal in length. Distance from the center is given same, OM equals to ON. We have to prove both the chords equal to each other. Again we will do construction OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to PQ. We will join all the radius. We will take the triangles AOM and triangle PON. In triangle AOM and triangle PON, angle OMA equals to angle ONP, right angle. OA equals to OP, hypotenuse according to the right angle triangle, and these are equal because of radii. And OM equals to ON, which is given in the question. So again, forming RHS, right angle hypotenuse side criteria, triangle AOM is congruent to triangle PON by RHS criteria. Since these two triangles are congruent to each other, therefore the corresponding parts AM and PN are also equal to each other by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. AM equals to PN, so twice of AM also equals to twice of PN. Twice of AM will be AB and twice of PN will be PQ. So twice of AM is AB and right hand side twice of PN is PQ. So AB equals to PQ. This is proved according to the question that both the chords are equal if their distance from the center is same. Thank you.